Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Ninja Turtle head. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off and let's draw a large curve across the center. Now let's draw the eyes on top. We'll start with a curve up and out, and the same on the right. Now from the top, let's curve it back down. Next, inside each eye, towards the center, let's draw a long curved U shape, leaving the top open. Then another U-shaped curve inside. And then color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's add the bandana. Let's start next to the eye on the bottom here, and let's draw a curve down and out on both sides. Next, let's hop on top of each eye and let's draw a curve out and down like this. Then a curve across in the center. Now let's hop to the sides and let's bring it out and back in. And the same on the right. And then the same thing underneath on both sides to close it off. Now let's hop to the right side and let's add another curve. And now let's add the ends of the bandana. On top, let's draw a large S-shaped curve out. And then curve it back in underneath. Now inside, let's draw a small curve at the bottom. Now let's draw one more piece in the same way behind. Let's start on top and let's draw an S-shaped curve up. And then curve it back down. And again, one more curve inside at the bottom. And that's it for the bandana. Now let's move back in and start drawing the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a large curve across for the top of the head. Next, let's hop underneath and let's add the mouth. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve. And the same thing on the right. Then a large curve across. Now underneath, let's step in from the sides and let's draw a curve down and bring it towards the center. And the same thing from the right side. Now let's move inside and let's draw the tongue. Let's start inside on the bottom left and let's draw a curve towards the center. And then one more on top. And then color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's finish drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the side under the bandana and let's draw a curve out and bring it in. And the same on the right side. Then let's add one more curve at the bottom to close it off. And that's it for this Ninja Turtle head. Now let's quickly color it in. I'm going to color mine in blue for Leonardo, but feel free to color it in any of the other turtle colors. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!